As a quick word on one stock before we get back to market action. Exide, that came out with its numbers earlier. The management joins in to talk about how the next couple of quarters are looking. Mr. Mukherjee, afternoon. First, one word on what you expect to see by way of pricing, particularly on the retail end, because that you've managed to hold steady so far. Do you see that moving higher or lower over the next 2 quarters?
Can you be louder, please?
I was asking you about pricing, Mr. Mukherjee, especially on the retail end, whether you see that moving higher or lower in the next 2 quarters.
And the retail business, the price likely to be slightly lower. In fact, there is a price reduction of 5% effective April 09, that means current month. So in the replacement market, likely to be slightly lower.
Mr. Mukherjee, this quarter the numbers boosted by, of course, the reduction in raw material costs, primarily zinc, I would assume. So going forward, are you sensing that you might be actually reporting a degrowth in profits if the zinc prices were to move up from these levels?
I don't see any possibility of reduction in the profit margin, because the reduction in the metal cost, which started in the second half of the previous financial year, which started getting effect in the company's margin from the month of March 09. Because of the transit time as well as the inventory, we started getting the benefit towards the end of February and March. So that benefit is likely to continue, and this will definitely give a better margin in coming months.
There's an estimate out for your FY10 performance though, Mr. Mukherjee, that indicates there'll probably be a bit of a slippage, and you should go on to report about 3.3 rupees to a share for FY10. Would you say that is something doable, or you're probably going to outdo that target?
I would say that operating margin, I would say the operating margin which we have seen in the month of March or towards the end of the last quarter of the financial year 08-09 is quite sustainable, and we should maintain that margin in the coming financial year as well.
Okay, Mr. Mukherjee, thanks a lot for joining in. That's the one stock, Exide. It's outperforming the market because the market itself is down quite a bit, and at this point in time, Exide is down just about a rupee. In fact,